Something shady or fishy reeks over the forthcoming mass protest and three-day rally for peace by the Iglesia ni Cristo faithful, which kicks off this Sunday. Thus, the PNP is dispatching a formidable force to keep the peace and protect the public should developments turn sideways during the three-day event. Orion Lesigas has more.
The Philippine National Police or PNP is also preparing for the possibility that other groups might cause trouble during the large protest action to be held by a religious group in Manila similar to what happened on September 21. According to PNP Public Information Office Chief Police Brigadier General Randolph Tuanyo, security measures to be implemented by the PNP are already in place. In addition to the religious group, the United People's Initiative, a group of retired military personnel, has also applied for a permit in Quezon City. The PNP will deploy around 15,000 police officers to maintain security across Manila. The largest deployment will be in Mindiola with over 3,000 police personnel, while around 2,000 police officers will be stationed on Ayala Bridge.
Wala po tayo natatanggap na anuman pong banta, pero kung meron man po, hindi po natin ikikipit balikat ito, magkakaroon po agad tayo ng assessment.
Around 300,000 individuals are expected to join the said rally.
Lahat po ng contingencies ay nakaprepare. Ang ating pong QCPD at ang buong NCRP o base na rin po sa kautusan ng ating pong Chief PNP National Police.
Because of this, the MPD will implement a traffic rerouting scheme. MPD spokesperson Police Major Philip Ines said that several roads will be closed as part of their security measures. This includes the southbound lane of Rojas Boulevard from Katigbak to P.O. Campo. The northbound lane of Rojas Boulevard from President Quirino Avenue to Katigbak Drive will also be closed. Likewise, the southbound lane of Bonifacio Drive leading to Anda Circle up to Katigbak Drive will be closed. Parts of South Drive, Independence Road, and P. Burgos Avenue up to Taft Avenue will also be closed to motorists. Finance Road from P. Burgos Avenue to Taft Avenue will be inaccessible as well. Maria Rosa Street from Burgos Avenue to Calao Avenue, Taft Avenue to Rojas Boulevard, including the round table toward Palacio Street and General Luna will also be closed to vehicles.
Ang sa atin po dito, tinitignan po natin, dinikiling din natin doon sa ating mga kababayan, natulungan din po kami. Kasi sabi nga po natin, alam po natin sa lungsod ng Maynila, talagang halos araw-araw po may mga protesta kami. At sa atin naman po, palagi po natin nandun po yung pagrespeto natin sa karapatang pantao at karapatan po ng mga kababayan natin magpahayag ng kanilang mga saloobin.
In the coming days, the PNP and the protest organizers will meet again to discuss additional security measures for the event. Meanwhile, Malacanang has ordered the Armed Forces of the Philippines to investigate the list released by a columnist Ramon Tulfo, which allegedly contains the names of people behind a destabilization plot or an attempt to oust the administration of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. The names that surfaced are now in the hands of the intelligence community of the AFP. According to Malacanang, just because these names were posted on social media doesn't mean they are true or trustworthy. They should be properly violated and studied carefully.
Kailangan po kasi talaga maimbestigahan ito at kasi maaari sabihin nila ito ay freedom of expression. Pero muli, titingnan natin kung ano ang hangganan at kailangan po talaga itong mapaimbestigahan kung ito po ay parte na po talaga ng destabilization.
Ryan Lesigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.